Hi there, Jamboree Day 3, and we've got one for Father's Day. We've got our Pugwash bag in 3 colours, reduced from 120 down to 56, just over half price, something like that. So,
3 colours.
3 colours, didn't I say 3 colours?
Yeah, but you're going to tell them what 3 colours are.
Oh, okay then. The 3 colours are, what colour is that? Tan.
London tan.
London tan, navy blue.
And black.
And black. Okay. I was more interested in what can fit in because the capacity is bonzer. Oh, Chaz is going to show you the... Right, there's a cotton twill lining, YKK zips, nice pocket in the front for your paracetamols, etc. That's the hanging loop, which in a minute, when we've got it filled, we're going to demonstrate how it can hang either on the back of a door hook or somewhere so that it doesn't go on top of wet. You can go on top of wet, but you want to try as best you can to keep it clean. Right, let me show you what'll fit in. Are you going to pass me this equipment?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, shall we start with the toothbrush?
Absolutely.
Toothbrush, right. Hair wax. Hair wax. That one.
Yeah,
I don't
okay,
know what
shower
these
gel.
shower gel. I don't know what these things are called. Deodorant.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's face cream.
Yeah, it certainly is.
And then we got eye cream if you want eye cream. And then you've got
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste will do it.
And
Smellies.
yeah.
Aftershave and razor and paracetamol. It's like the generation game. Oh, it's before your time, the generation game. Right, so easily fits in, and then you've got it in there, and I'm just going to show it to you so you could hang it up like that, or with the bigger hook for on the back of a door or something like that. There it is, all nice and secure in there. So we'll have a recap. Loads of capacity, 3 colours, £120 reduced to 56.
Yeah.
I think that's a lot for Jamboree Day 3, isn't it?
Yeah, 3 colours.
3 colours.
Yeah.
And perfect for
Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Which is
Sunday, next Sunday. Today's Monday, it'll be next Sunday.
No, it's the following Sunday.
No, it isn't, is
I
it?
think it is. It's another 17th, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at that. Yeah.
But
Whatever
It's
day
an
it is.
ideal thing.
it's
for Father's
perfect,
Day.
perfect. See you tomorrow, folks.
Bye.